What is endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum is derived from Greek or Latin word. Endoplasmic mean endoplasm portion of the cytoplasm and reticulum mean the network. Endoplasmic reticulum can be defined. It is a network of channel in the cytoplasm of all the eukaryotic cells is known as endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum takes off approximately 12% of the total volume of a cell. An endoplasmic reticulum attached to the nuclear membrane directly. For the first time, Garnier in 1897 discovered the endoplasmic reticulum and he named it argestoplasm. But their detailed structure was given by three scientists, Porter, Cloud, and Pullman in 1945, while Kay or Fortin in 1953 coined the term endoplasmic reticulum to this system of channels or a system of tubules as well as networks is known as endoplasmic reticulum. It is present in all eukaryotic cells. Either they may be present in protists, in fungi, plants, as well as in animal cells. They are absent in mature erythrocytes, ova, embryonic cells, and it is totally absent in prokaryotes. The endoplasmic reticulum, their amount is also varied from cell to cell. For example, in spermatocyte, it is represented by few vacuoles or few vesicles only. In the cells of adipose tissues, you know that adipose tissue is the tissue where fats are deposited. It's quite simple, having the form of a few tubules. Endoplasmic reticulum is present. The cells that are actively synthesizing proteins such as liver and pancreatic cells and fibroblasts have abundant amount of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum form 30 to 60% of total membrane in a cells. As the endoplasmic reticulum, they are originated from the nuclear envelope or from the outer membrane of the nucleus. The reason is that the fluid present in the endoplasmic reticulum and the perinuclear space is of similar nature. That's why we can say that endoplasmic reticulum is originated from the nuclear membrane, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is originated from the rough endoplasmic reticulum after the detachment of ribosomes. Physically, the endoplasmic reticulum composed of three structures: cisternae, tubules, and vesicle. First of all, what is cisternae? So these are flattened, unbranched, sac-like element, or we can also define it is a network of channels. They lie in group form parallel to one another. They bear ribosomes on their surface and therefore appear rough. And they are present near the nuclear membrane. It contains the glycoprotein named riboporine 1 and riboporine 2 that bind the ribosomes. In this diagram, you can see the cisternae. These are basically the cisternae. These are the tubules, and these structures are the vesicles. So cisternae, tubules, and vesicle, these are the three important structures of the endoplasmic reticulum. The second one is the tubules. As the name indicates, these are irregular branching elements which form a network along with other elements. They are often free of ribosomes, and the tubules of the endoplasmic reticulums are attached near the plasma membrane. Vesicle, as the name indicates, they are oval or rounded, and they are oval, rounded, or spherical. They are also free of ribosomes. All the elements of endoplasmic reticulum freely communicate with one another, and they contain a fluid known as endoplasmic matrix. The matrix of the endoplasmic reticulum is different from the matrix of the cytoplasm. The endoplasmic reticulum passes from one cell to another through plasmodesmata in the form of desmotubule. You know that plasmodesmata is basically a cytoplasmic connection between the two cells. In desmotubule, these are the endoplasmic reticulum, which is transferred from one cell to another cell. You clearly see here in this diagram that this space is known as endoplasmic reticulum, and the channel which is passed in this structure is known as desmotubules. These are various types of enzyme which is present in the endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum based on the presence and absence of ribosomes. Those ribosomes in which the ribosomes are attached and present near the nuclear membrane is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and those form of endoplasmic reticulum in which the ribosome is not present on their surface is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, as the name indicates, it have no ribosome, and it consists of long network of folded tube-like structure. It is more abundant in mammalian liver cells and gonad cell. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are originated from the rough endoplasmic reticulum when it loses ribosome or when it detaches ribosomes. Function of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is basically prepare various types of conjugated molecule and various types of other organic compounds. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved for lipid synthesis, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also responsible to produce various types of steroid hormone, for example, corticoids of adrenal cortex, testosterone, and interstitial cells or interstitial cells. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also responsible for the formation of gluconeogenesis process. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also responsible for detoxification or processing of toxin, or it converts toxic material into harmless material, and it can be easily excreted from the body by the process of excretions. So we can say that smooth endoplasmic reticulum perform the process of detoxification. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum perform another function for the release of calcium ion during muscle as well as heart contractions. And you know that the endoplasmic reticulum, which is present in the muscles of the human beings, is also known as sarcoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is those form of endoplasmic reticulum which contain the ribosomes, most abundantly present in hepatocytes, and they are arised or originated from the nuclear envelope or outer membrane of the nucleus. As the ribosomes are attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum, so they perform the process of protein synthesis. And transportation means that as we know that cisternae tubules is present in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, so various types of protein in the material is transported into other from the nuclear membrane to outside cell or within the cells by these channels. So we can say that it performs the process of transportation, the transfer of material from one area to another area. Glycosylation carbohydrate are added to the polypeptide chains, and conjugated molecules are produced by the enzyme known as oligosaccharyl transferase. Disulfide formation is also produced within the protein. So basically this rough endoplasmic reticulum, we can say it is protein packed due to the presence of ribosomes, and various form of ribosomes is produced and they are transported to various forms. These are the individual function of a smooth as well as the rough endoplasmic reticulum, while these are the collective function performed by the endoplasmic reticulum. Transport of material, they transport the material from the nucleus to the cytoplasm, or from the nucleus and cytoplasm to outside the cell, and from outside to the nucleus. So it performs various types of transportation of material, formation of desmotubules. As we say that endoplasmic reticulum pass from one cell to another cell through plasmodesmata is known as desmotubules. Endoplasmic reticulum perform the function of support because of the channels in it act like a cytoskeleton, so it gave proper shape to the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum also act as a passage for transportation of genetic information from nucleus to various cell organelle to control the biosynthesis of protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Various types of enzymes, approximately 30 different types of enzymes present in the endoplasmic reticulum, which are involved in biosynthesis of various types of biological and conjugated molecule. Various types of material are stored within the endoplasmic reticulum. For example, calcium ion is stored, which help in the process of contraction and relaxation of the muscles. The endoplasmic reticulum of the retina act as a photoreceptor. It receive, or it is very sensitive to the light. It helps in the formation of lysosome. As we know that small vesicle spherical bodies is budded up from the endoplasmic reticulum, so we can say then it will be converted into primary lysosome. So we can say that primary lysosome is originated from the endoplasmic reticulum, which is transported to the Golgi complex, and from the Golgi complex lysosome is produced. It perform for the formation of protein, so it take parts in the process of protein synthesis. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it help in the formation of lipids, detoxification, the removal of toxic material, or conversion of harmful material into harmless, or from hydrophobic to hydrophilic material, calcium storage, and various types of other function. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and watch.